What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol ATER for Aterian Inc. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. It has been a while, my friend, and this, of course, will be an update. And first of all, I have to point out, what did we say about this, right? We were waiting for a structural pattern here, and it hasn't played out just yet, but there's potential for a double bottom here, and that's why I wanted to kind of update you on what's going on. So certainly, this has given us now a neckline, right? It's confirmed the neckline at that 1120. So it's not to say long just now, right? But if we can get a reattempt here at the 1120 off of some sort of bounce, I would count this short-term action as a double bottom. Here's your neckline. We take the break for higher into, as we know, the target is at 1341. That's the bullish trade here. There is a lot of work that needs to be done to get that to unfold, but that's what I'm seeing from a structural standpoint. Remember that 9 is not a first touch buy anymore. It was back here, but not so much now that we've tested it once and could potentially be coming in for another test, noting that today we did print a small bodied inverted hammer. If we go lower underneath 9 and it breaks, as we know, 745 could be a first touch bounce, but only looking for a quick dead cat bounce into probably the resistance trend line if it happens all in one day at least. So let's flip over to the 30-minute and actually discuss that resistance trend line. You can clearly see that it's continually produced lower highs here from the 30-minute intraday perspective that has not changed on today's session. So again, if this is going to be a double bottom here, then what we need to see is first a break of the resistance trend line and making it back to that 1120. So the first step would of course be a break of this overall area right around there. Let's call it 1036 just for round number's sake. You can certainly see that that was the high of today's resistant point as well as the resistance trend line as well, kind of coinciding for a super resistance. So it's not to say that the chart needs to bounce here, but I did want to give you guys at least an update for those of you who have been following along on how we're continuing to monitor this structure. So those are my thoughts. If you enjoyed the update, let me know in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description, and all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.